Having made your first dalliances into resin, don't let it stop there. First, please share your project successes and any failures too that we may learn. If you have any suggestions to improve this, my first Skillshare course, then please let me know. I would love to hear from you. Second, resin has so many more options than just coating artwork. It can be coloured and laid down in layers, used to secure all sorts of media to create fantastic, fabulous and glittering artworks. I am planning courses showing in detail how to use resin to make coasters, create astronomical artworks, geode artworks, and eventually courses on upcycling tables using resin. If you have any requests on what resin projects you would love to see, please get in touch. In the meantime, please follow me to be sure of catching the next Fuzzy Comma course, which will be out soon.